Before I do anything, so I wanted to check it out. Make sure nothing is simple. It's very simple.
Yes.
Yeah. And check it out. There is no any trapdoor, not
Right.
anything. This is only
Trapdoors.
trapdoors. Watch. And this is a very high speed routine. Sometimes the ball in my this hand, but sometimes it's in the cup.
It's in that hand.
No, it's in the cup. Sometimes the ball in my this hand, but sometimes no, it's in my pocket.
Right.
Right,
Who's
this
in
is
your
my pocket.
hand?
No, not in my hand. The ball is in my cup. Where's the ball?
In
Where's
the
the
cup.
ball?
Cap.
In the cup.
In the cup. Right. Now.
Ah, in your
It's in your
hand.
hand.
It's in the
Ah, we saw that.
Okay, not in the cup, right?
Right.
The idea is very simple. Just give a blow.
no.
Blow. And the ball is here.
Yeah.
Not in the pocket. Okay, what's happening actually when the magician say the ball is in the cup, he secretly take the ball in his pocket.
In
right?
your pocket. You put it in your pocket.
When the magician say the ball, I'm placing underneath of the cup. Actually, I'm stealing the ball like this.
Yeah,
The ball is not in the cup.
I saw
When
that.
Mason say the ball, I'm placing in my pocket. Don't believe to me because the ball is over here. Right. Once again, second.
Not that fast. but-
One second. One second.
Once again.
So here the ball.
Ball.
Right? Where the ball? In my this hand or this hand?
That hand.
That hand.
That hand.
This hand.
In the cup.
Ah,
The cup or pocket?
In the
pocket.
cup.
Cup.
Yeah.
Big.
Big one now.
Okay. This time, let's make a big finish, right?
Okay.
So, yeah. Pass your hand over the cup. Yes, that's it.
Yeah.
Now watch.
Watch your hands. Oh.
Very nice, very nice.
Let me see that cup.
No trap
Can I
doors.
see the cup?
Cup.
The
Right.
cup.
Yeah.
Good.
No trap doors.
Okay.
Well, so here the pack
Well
of
done.
cards, and the idea is very simple. Pick any one cards.
If it's the 9-9, then this is lead.
And here we go. You pick the cards, right? So I want to sign it.
I have it.
Yeah, sign it.
My name.
Yeah, write your name.
All across the card.
Write your name. Your autograph.
Show to everyone. Don't show me.
Okay.
Right. And place it back.
Wait a minute. I'm gonna put the lid back because we don't want any black on that.
Yeah. So card is somewhere. Oh, this is not your card, right? The card is somewhere in the middle. No matter where the card is somewhere in the middle. And now the idea is very simple. Someone want to give a shuffle?
What?
You want to give a shuffle?
Shuffle?
Yeah, shuffle the cards. And make sure the top card, that one is not your card.
Top
right?
card is not my card.
Make sure the top
Nope.
card is not your card. Right. I want to give a cut.
Hey, that's the bottom
cut.
card.
What's the bottom card?
Huh?
Okay.
No.
Right. So watch. 1, 2, 3. Taking out one card. That one is. No, this is not your card because your signed card.
Right.
Your card is signed, right? Did you feel anything?
Did I what?
Your card. What was your card?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Not there.
Your card is King of Hearts.
Yes.
Vanished.
It's in the card box.
No.
Now we'll never sleep. No sleep.
No way!
And that is your card, the signed
That's
card.
Well, it is her card.
It's funny.
King of Hearts. There's my
Dude,
name.
you're
All
good.
crushed up.
Yeah, you're good.
Good.
So good. Is this my souvenir?
Yes, of course.
Oh, you signed it, yeah.
This is for you as a souvenir.
Thank
My name is
you.
Sam.
Too funny.
Say happy birthday.
Oh,
What is your last name, Sam?
Sam Majumdar.
How about we just go Sam the Entertainer?
Sam is the
Sam Majumba.
Sam the Great.
How the hell?
Wow, thank you, Sam.
Which one
So
was
today your
better?
birthday?
The 7 and 3?
Was that?
Today's your birthday?
Well, Saturday's my
it's all
birthday,
of
but
our-
we're all
well, yeah.
celebrating our anniversaries
you all
today.
celebrate
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Sam, wow, that was amazing.
You are good, dude.
See you around.
Yes. Go find somebody else to
Yeah, I'm going there.
Wow.
shock and awe.
I'm going there.
You're going.
Oh, they know me.
He's coming over there. He's